Good morning. Myself, Dr. D.B. Bhure. Today we are going to discuss the linkage. Now, gene is a hereditary units which determine the characters of an individual are carried in the chromosomes. Now, individual has many genes for various different characters, and they are more genes than the chromosomes. Now, hence each chromosome is contains more than one gene. Now, the gene for a different character may be either situated in the same chromosome or in a different chromosome. Genes are situated in different chromosomes. The characters they control appear in the next generation either together or apart. They assort independently according to the Mendel's law of independent assortment. Now, the linkage is nothing but if the genes are situated in the same chromosome and are fairly close to each other, they tend to be inherited together, and this type of coexistence of two or more genes in the same chromosome is called as a linkage. Then the types of linkage, according to the Morgan and his co-workers who investigated the two different types of linkage, that is the complete and incomplete linkage. Now, the first complete linkage, the complete linkage is the phenomena in which parental combination of a character appear together for two or more than two generations in a continuous or regular fashion. In this type of linkage, genes are closely associated and tend to transmit together. Complete linkage generally occurs in male Drosophila. In most of the organism, crossing over takes place both in male and females, but especially in male Drosophila and female silkworm, that is the Bombyx muri, crossing over takes place either in very rarely or not at all. Now, this is the example of the complete linkage which was occur in a male Drosophila. Now, the Morgan, who is taken the two parents which is having the grey color vestigial winged Drosophila, is crossed with the black color long winged Drosophila, and they found that in F1 and F2 generations they are having this specific type of linkage which is called as a complete linkage. Now, this is the parents, those having the grey vestigial winged Drosophila, which is the genotype of this grey vestigial is B plus Vg oblique B plus Vg is crossed with the black long winged Drosophila BVG plus BVG plus. Means specially for the grey color there is the B plus, and for the vestigial wing this is the small Vg, and for black colorations there is only B, and for the long winged it is having the Vg plus symbols. Now, it produces a single gametes, that is the B plus Vg. It also produces the single gamete B plus BVG plus. Now, during the fertilization in F1 generations, it forms the offspring B plus Vg oblique BVG plus, which is the heterozygous or hybrid, which is having the all grey long. Now, for the F2 generations, he cross the F1 hybrid, that is the male grey long, is crossed with the double recessive parent female black vestigial, and for that he is chosen the genotype B plus Vg, BVG plus, this is the hybrid genotype, is crossed with the double recessive parent having the genotype BVG oblique BVG. Now it produces two gametes, B plus Vg and BVg plus. It produces a single gamete BVg. Now in a fertilization in F2 generations, there is found 50-50% result, means the half progeny is having the gray color vestigial wing and half progeny is having the black color vestigial wing, means B plus Vg oblique BVg, BVg plus oblique BVg, means the ratio of the test cross or the ratio of F2 generations is having the 50-50% chance, and this type of linkage is called as a complete linkage. Now the another type of linkage is the incomplete linkage. In incomplete linkage means the linked gene do not always stay together because homologous non-sister chromatids may exchange segments of varying length with one another during meiotic prophase, and this sort of exchange of chromosomal segments in between homologous chromosome is known as a crossing over. The linked gene which are widely located in a chromosome and have chance of separations by crossing over is called as incompletely linked genes, and this phenomena is known as incomplete linkage. Now the example of incomplete linkage has been reported in female Drosophila and various other organisms and plants such as tomato, maize, pea, mice, poultry and man. Here the example of incomplete linkage have been considered only for Drosophila. For that purpose, we are taken the two parents, one which is having the gray vestigial winged Drosophila having the genotype B plus Vg, B plus Vg is crossed with the black long winged Drosophila BVg plus oblique BVg plus. It produces a single gamete B plus Vg. It produces a BVg plus gametes. During the fertilization in F1 generations, the result indicates that all F1 is a hybrid or heterozygous, which is a gray long. Now for the F2 generations, we are taken the F1 hybrid female gray long is crossed with double recessive male black vestigial, means the B plus Vg oblique BVg plus is crossed with BVg oblique BVg. It produces two gametes B plus Vg, BVg plus, and it produces a single gametes BVg. During the fertilization in F2 generations, the result of the test cross ratio is having some difference due to the crossing over, means the gray vestigial B plus Vg BVg, means this along with these combinations it produces 41.5% offspring. Again BVg plus oblique BVg, these combinations of the offspring, that is the black long, is again having the 41.5, means the total 83% of the parental combination showing the type of special linkage. Whereas due to the crossing over, there is a chance of such offspring which is having the genotype B plus Vg plus oblique BVg plus, means this is the gray long type of the offspring due to the recombinant of the crossing over. It is occurring 8.5%. Again the another type BVg oblique BVg, that is the black vestigial, it again found the 8.5%, means the total 17% recombinant due to the crossing over. In this way, today we focus what is the linkage, then type of linkage, and these two type of linkage We are studied with the help of two examples. Thank you very much.